Hi everybody, this is Suman again. Today I'm going to show you a very short, simple way, 5 tips to work on how to make your computer faster. Okay, so first I want to show you the points here, what you can do. Number 1, clean up temporary files. Number 2, defragmenting hard disk cleanup, disable unwanted running programs in the background, and disable unwanted services. If we can do all this, then it will certainly be helpful to run your computer smoothly. Okay, so let's start right now. The temporary files to clean up. So first I do is just go to start, and I click on run, and we have to type %temp%, as you can see here on the screen, and click on OK. And these are all temporary files taking up a lot of space and resources, so you can just delete it. Okay, so just like to go to edit and mark and delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete it at the end of the session, so I'm not going to delete my files right now. So in this way it'll help to clean up the temporary files which is not on the use. And these are folders and files that Windows needed at one time, but they are not in use anymore, so it's better to delete it again altogether. Okay, so and the next step is defragmenting hard disk. And you know, our computer does not like having fragmented files all over the places. It's like a messy room and books all over, and then but if your books are nicely tidied up in the shelves, and it's very hard to access, so it's similar to that. So that's why defragmenting your hard disk is such a good idea. When you defrag the computer, looks through all the files on PC, and then moves them around so that all the fragments of files are put together. So it also keeps tracks of what files you use the most often, and will move them to the front of the hard drive where they can be accessed more quickly. And actually, normally it's just running a defrag. It will not free up any additional space, as nothing is deleted, but it only moves. But in the long run, it will help the computer run faster. So let me show you how to do that. Just go to Start, All Programs, and I like to go to Accessories. Sorry, this computer is in German language, that's why you go see Accessories. It's called Zubehör. So I go to Program Tools, okay, and there you can see Defragmenter. Okay, so click on that, and another window should pop up. Okay. As you can see, my computer is also quite slow because there's a couple of big softwares running in the background. One is the Camsys here, which I'm using right now to record this for you. So as you can see, I have 2 hard drives, C and D. So all you have to do is just click on hard drive C or D, which you want to defrag, and there you can see you sign Defragmenter. Okay, and click on that. I've got a lot of big files, like in 100 gigabyte or so, both, so it will take a lot of time. So I'm just going to show you how to do that, and click on that. Depending on your files, between 20 to 1 hour it takes to defrag a system. And once it's done and it's all system is clear, and it accesses very quickly, and will help to run your system smoothly. Okay, so what I do is I do about once a month I defrag my system, and it helps a lot, unless you're running a big software, which I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's see, another one we can do is we have disk cleanup. I'm sure you know how to do that. It's also very simple, and this will clean up all the temporary internet files, remove downloaded program files, empty recycle bin, or even remove Windows temporary files, and then remove optional Windows components, and remove installed programs that you no longer use. So and I'll show you how to do that. You just have to go again, it's very simple, go to Start, okay, in All Programs, and again to Accessories, Program Tools, and Disk Cleanup. So what I click on that, another window will pop up showing which one you want to clean up, and I've already done it, so I don't want to do it, and you just have to click on OK, and it will clean up the whole disk, depending on your space, from 10 minutes, even 5 minutes, it really depends. So it's better to clean up once a week, this one, okay? So it's very, very easy. So I close on that, and let me check what we can do here. So, and the other way to come up to the disk cleaner window is just to go to Start, okay, and click on Run, and there you have to type clean mgr. So clean manager, clean mgr, and just click on OK, and the same window will pop up, and you can clean up all your hard disk properly this way also. Alright, so let's go to our next point. We have disable unwanted running programs in the background. You know, there are so many programs on your startup window that is running side by side with the Windows system, and that slows our system very, very rapidly. So to disable all these programs which you don't need in the background, just again you have to go to Start and have to click on Run, and please type msconfiz misconfig in a short form. In long form it means Microsoft configuration, and then click OK. And comes up another window, go to System Start, and you can see a lot of my programs are unchecked because I don't want them to run side by side with the Windows on the Windows startup. So only the imported ones that needed to be, you can check mark on the left, but most of them you can uncheck or disable, and then go to Services on the left hand side of the System Start. And you can also see here things that you don't need is all unchecked in my system here, okay, and apply and click on OK. And once you do that, you come to the prompt window saying please start new or start later. So it's all up to you. You can even, if you're doing some work, you can start later. So I'm not going to start right now, so I'm just put that thing off, okay, and that's it. You know, then it helps a lot to improve your system run faster if you do that properly. So now we have number 5, the last one, how to disable unwanted services. There are so many services running in the background. It takes a lot of resources in your systems and slows down your computer also. So in that case, also we go to Start and click on Run, and please type services.msc, okay, services.msc, and click on OK. And another window will pop up with all the services, list of services. Now an important step in the process of securing your system is to shut down unnecessary services. Yeah, so each version of Microsoft Windows provide different services, of course. So in that case, you may have Windows 7 or Vista or XP Professional or Home Edition. So you need to go to a Google search and then just type, disable unwanted services for whatever system you're running it, and it should show all the things that you need to disable, and will help a lot of to run your computer smoothly and faster. So here in that case, as you can see, like for instance, the Asia Media server, I don't need it in my background, so let's just deactivate it. So over here you can always check through the Google search what you need to be activated and not activated or started. So in this way it helps a lot how to run your system, so that you're not overdoing with the system in the background, and that your system is running very, very smoothly. So as you can see, for example, I was checking on the Google disable unwanted services, so I can see here for XP, because mine is XP Home Edition. So I click on that link, so and there comes a list. As you can see, when I searched on my Google for XP Home and Pro, I came to a very good website where it tells you in detail what to turn it off and on. So it's all up to your system, okay? You can just go there and check it by yourself, and this would help a lot in your system. So actually that's about all. I didn't want to be too long, so it might be boring for you, so I'll just give you these 5 steps which you can go through as I did, and it will certainly help. It helped my system to go faster. Before I finish, there's one last thing I forgot to mention, which is how to go to the properties so you can disable the services that you don't need. So go to Start, Run, Services.msc. Okay, another window will pop up with the services listed, and so if you want, after checking the list in the Google, if you want to disable the program, just right click on that, Properties, and here you'll see Automatic, Manual, and Disable. So you just have to go there and disable that system or services, and click on Apply and OK, and that will do the trick for you, so that services will be disabled and not running in the background, which means your system will be running smoothly. Okay, so I hope this will help you a lot. Wish you all the best, and then all the best for you. Okay, bye bye for now.